Good morning, student. Welcome to the class. So, student, this chapter completed, and today we discuss uh, exercise of this chapter. It takes only 4 or 5 minutes to discuss, and then question answers. Question answers I had sent earlier also. So write all the question answers, and this hot question also you have to write in your practical notebook. So like chapter wise, you have to complete the hot question or scientific questions. That let's recapitulate is given here that PowerPoint is a part of Microsoft Office package of application. Then it is a part of Microsoft Office package. How to start? Go to start button, then click on all programs, then go to Microsoft Office 2010, and then you will be getting the 4 or 5 parts. There are packages. There you have to click PowerPoint presentation. Then what is slide and outline tab? The slide tab shows the thumbnail version of each of full size slide shown in the slide pane. The note pen is also the note pen. If you want to write the notes, so you are able. You can write the notes in the current slide also. Then here that PowerPoint provides several ways of viewing presentation. These are the normal, slide sorter, reading, and slideshow view. Slideshow view button shows you the slide. So from the currently open side there. Then number and bulleted also. If you want to give the number list or bulleted list, then you can give the help of this. Theme is also given here. Slide master, header and footer, watermark, smart art. It's given. Then slide transition, animation, action button, rehearse timing, and presentations. So here it is given. Then come to the exercise. One can view presentation in normal slide sorter. It is given normal slide sorter. It is given in the chapter view. Then a dotted rectangular box on a slide to hold text, images, etc. is called a placeholder. The normal view is the main editing view used to design or create presentation. The slide sorter view shows the thumbnail of all the slides. To view a presentation from the slide, from the first slide, press the F5 key. Then the rehearse timing option can be used to create automatic slide presentations with preset timing. Then the action button are the built-in buttons is a presentation used to link to another slide or play a sound on a movie. Then to set a slide master, click view tab and slide master. Then we use a smart art graphic to represent data in a graphical forms. Then come to the multiple choice question. PowerPoint software is used for making presentation. To organize the slides in a presentation, we can use the normal and slide sorter view. While setting the timing of animation on a slide, we cannot control the what? Here date start duration delay it is given there. We cannot control it is not given in the list. So answer is none of the others. The rehearse timing option is available in the slide sorter tab. To insert a new slide, you have to press Ctrl N. To change the background of a slide, we need to go to the design tab. Adding effects to the way slide change in a slideshow is called animation. Then while printing handouts, the number of slides we cannot print on a page is 10. The option is not available in the insert tab is slideshow. Then the view button are available on the status bar. To create a presentation which plays automatically use it's a rehearse timing. So answer the following questions. Student, this all the question answers I had given earlier. So you have to write this and then come to the scientific zone. Some students book it is written as HOTS and my book it is written scientific zone. So here question is given here. Soma has to make a history presentation on monuments of Delhi by tomorrow. Since he has a lot of other homework, Soma will have to work very quickly. Can you suggest him some tips to help her and make professional looking presentation quickly? So you have to write your own suggestion here, how you will be help the Soma. Then Angad is making a presentation where he has to show a flowchart and other graphical representation of data. Which tool of PowerPoint should he use? So he wants to show the flowchart and other graphical representation. So here he have to use Smart Art Graphics. Then Rekha wants to apply the same background of 5 slides of a presentation. How can she do this? With the help of Slide Master. Slide Master you do and then check and do and check whether Slide Master is will be doing the same work or not. Then Raghav is preparing a presentation for his company. He wants to copy logo to appear in the background of all the slides. So I discussed last class also about the watermark. It will display only a transparent image in every slide. So we are using that Raghav have to use the watermark. Yes, Pratik wants to play a recording of his voice in his presentation. Is this possible? Yes, with the help of the what? With the help of record audio. Then what setting will Deepa have to make so her presentation plays by itself? Automatically option only. So two options are there by making the play of slideshow on mouse click and automatically. So if you want your presentation plays by itself only, so you have to select the automatically option. So these are the lab activities, student. If you are having a laptop or desktop in your home, do the practice here. Create a project on cyber safety, follow the guidelines. So you have to first create a project cyber safety, and the guidelines is given here. Create a title slide giving the name of the presentation and the creator. So title slide you have to take that layout, and then you have to write the presentation's name and the creator also. So give the brief introduction of the topic. If you had selected the topic cyber safety, then you have to give the brief introduction also. Then use bullets to emphasize the important points on the slide. So here you have to use the bullets, not number, to write a list. Then surf the internet for information and images on this topic and use them for in the presentation. So you have to go to the browse the internet. Surf the internet means you have to use the internet, and then search your images what you want for about this that topic, and then paste it in your presentations. Then animate the object in the presentation to create an interesting visual effects. So visual effects, you have to find out visual effects means every slide you have to change the effects. So at the time of slideshow, how you have to represent in front of the audience, you have to select the visual effects and then do it. Add transition effects to the slide also. So if you are transition means how you have your slides, you have to show your slide in front of audience like this. Then second one is create a presentation on the topic save energy. Follow the guidelines is given here. Apply the theme of the presentation. Apply all the theme. Then the title should have the title and subtitle also with the help of this word that you have to write. Then file to be saved as saving energy. So this too, if you are having the computer or laptop in your home, so do practice this question. Yes, student, write the notes in your notebook, that hot question in your practical notebook, and complete your notes and prepare for your exam. This chapter only will come in your will come in post midterm examination. Thank you.